to my YouTube channel at Mom Rochelle's The Juggler. If you're new here, I'm glad to have you in. Please consider hitting the subscribe button, like this video, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified once I upload. Today I want to take you through the journey of my dogs, my dog Ladida and Dalvin. So I bought Ladida when Ladida was young, and they were 3 dogs: Ladida, Husky, and Dalvin. But later Dalvin died. No, Husky died, and I was left with Ladida and Dalvin. Later, after some times, we stayed with Akina Ladida and Dalvin, and I had to call the vet so that they can get the medications and injections and whatsoever. But later with time, after they grew up, before they grew up, when they were that age, kadogo, small size, we used to even wash them. And after washing them, we used to even feed them. After feeding them, we used to play with them. Since we are feeding our puppies the first milk from our cow, colostrum. It's called colostrum, sorry. And as you can see, they are really enjoying the milk. So Dalvin, Puppy, father and son. Dalvin. My son was the one who told me, "Mommy, I need a dog. Can you please buy for me a dog?" So I bought 2, and my husband bought 1, Dalvin. So later, with time, Dalvin gave birth. She gave birth to 6 babies, and after 3 months, they died. After some times again, she later gave birth to 6 babies again.
Hi guys, these are my little puppies. They were born 6 days today. Sorry for the sound, I have a cold and they haven't opened their eyes. They are sleeping since the mom is outside feeding now. Puppy. Wow. Oh. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 puppies. Wow. Puppy. Nice. Wow. I think I'm disturbing them since I'm making a lot of noise talking. I'm bothering them and they're sleeping. Okay, bye-bye, puppy. They are now 6 days. They are yet to open their eyes, and they open their eyes when they are 10 days. So far, this is what we have. Wow.
My puppies have grown. They've had me, that's why they are awake. They want to go and breastfeed the mama. Gosh, they think I'm the mother. Now see, you! Wow, they're so big. They're now... The puppies are breastfeeding the mama. Oi Dida, pole. La Dida. Sorry. And with time, they got infected from fleas and some other stuff. And after that, we called the doctors. The veterinary. They were injected. After injections, I don't know, we used to wash them with detergent so that the fleas could fly away. Hi guys, today we are washing our puppies. We are using these detergents. Sometimes it kills the fleas. They have lots and lots of fleas, and if you can see in the middle, see the stomach, all these fleas. Ebuka ka stable. Wow, my God, there are many. So when we use the detergent, it sometimes kills, not 100%, but it kills. This is the first aid. So this is how we are washing them. We have 5 of them. We sold one. Puppy? Okay. So far, see how it has lots and lots of fleas, and this is how I'm washing them using the detergent. So they are really so dirty, and when I use the detergent, it kills away the fleas. So puppy, no, I have to wash you dirty. I want to get rid of these fleas. Wow. Ebo, come closer. Ebo, nice zote. See all these fleas? See how they are? Wow! Oh my goodness. Kai. So this is the progress, guys, and I'm using this brush so that I can remove all the fleas away. And I know the puppy is really enjoying, since these things don't give them peace. So I'll be with you after I'm done washing the puppies, and I'll show you the results after I'm done. You'll see how the fleas get killed by the detergent. So no puppy, no. So bye bye guys. Subscribe to the juggler, and you'll get to learn more on how I deal with my pets. Bye. Mwah. But later with time, they couldn't make it. We sold one, but the rest died. I have this other one, and as you can see guys, this is what they are pooping, blood. It's somewhere here, like you can see clearly. If I call this puppy, it doesn't want to come. Puppy, come puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy. I don't know what to do with it. I have fed them milk over here. There's another milk over there, and the houses are clean. I don't know what's happening. So far I've buried 2 puppies. I'm yet to bury another one that I've showed you there. And this one, I don't think it will make it. I want to remove it. Puppy, you see, this is the blood that they are pooping, and come puppy. I've just removed it. I want it to stay out here so that she can get a little bit of sun. Puppy. Sorry guys, I'm shaking. Puppy. Oh. Puppy. 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 I want to take you a photo before you die, because I know you will die. You people, you've been behaving this way to me, so yeah. I loved this puppy and I wanted to stay with it, and now I don't know what to do. If the time has come, it is okay. You see how it is scratching? Or it's because of the fleas, I don't know. Puppy? Puppy? Pop. Look at me. I want to take your photo. Puppy. Puppy. Let me see whether it's bloody. Puppy. No. Puppy. Puppy. Shika. Puppy, puppy. Shika. You. Hey. Hi guys. This is our puppy. Our puppy died yesterday, and as you can see, her eyes. I don't know what happens. I don't know the causes of these puppies to die. But anyway, may she rest in peace. So we want to dig a place where we will bury the puppy. So rest in peace, puppy. Bye bye. This is how the dogs love each other. And now this puppy of mine, she's sleeping just next to her dead, dead brother. I'll say brother or a sister. No, let me say a brother because he's a male. So with this, I'll say she's mourning and she's feeling so sad that the brother is dead. I don't know what happens with my puppies. They don't grow older, and some which will grow older, they will end up being sold. But now, even with this other puppy, her condition isn't right. So far I've buried, yesterday I buried 2 puppies. Today I'm about to bury this other one here, and you see it's not breathing. And I as well have another one in the house. Let me go show you. Puppy, 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 puppy. So I would like you guys to assist me what to do. I've tried my best. I've used the vets. I've done what I could just to rescue my puppies. I love pets, but I don't know what to do. So it's you to comment down below and tell me, once my dog gives birth, what can I do to rescue them? Otherwise, this was the video. I hope it has inspired you. This is the journey, and I'll put the clips of the photos of my dogs and when they were alive and when they died. So like this video, share, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you have been inspired, and I'll inspire you more. So love you guys, love you, love you, love you. Subscribe. Road to 200 subscribers. Please subscribe to my videos. Love you.